Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. I have two very important update for today. Accenture recruitment process identity verification, and whatever earlier also you have faced the issues with Accenture, we will talk little bit in detail how to get your data removed. That also we will see. And Wipro has finally started sending email for pre-skilling training. That also we will discuss. Okay, friends, see, I will be not making lot of videos. That is for sure. You cannot see like for same thing making multiple videos, guys. If I have some update, genuine update, then only I can bring it in front of you, right? So simply making the videos for views, it doesn't make sense. So that is the reason limited videos, but every videos uploaded will have some kind of information, that is for sure. Okay, now let us start. So friends, there was some issue with identity verification. Okay, and many of you received the email also that we regret to inform you that your identity verification has been rejected. We are reviewing the documents you uploaded. You will receive an update on your application status once your review is complete. We regret to inform that your identity verification has been rejected. See, it doesn't mean okay that you will not be moved to the next process. Okay, the only thing is when your identity verification has rejected. Now friends, if you'll see my photo some 10 years back or 20 years back, I had so much of hair. I know I my now my beard is white, all those things. So now if you'll compare, you will not be even able to recognize me, or you just go back on the YouTube channel, see if these photos, and let me go to the oldest one, and that photos, if you'll see now this photo you will see, and now photo you see lot of hairs, right? So how we will verify that I am the person, right? So this is not possible, correct? Okay, anyway, so the same thing happens here also with Accenture also, that problems will come. Okay, now, so they have started sending email today. So we noticed a discrepancy in your identification information during the verification process. To proceed, please update your ID details using the link below. Friends, see, Accenture, right? So they focus on the PAN card. Now, your PAN card, so photo mismatch. Candidate has childhood photos on the PAN card. Recommendation: candidate has to upload the scanned copy of PAN card with the recent photograph. Please complete these steps within 24 hours to avoid delays. Now, so many of them are telling that you need, this new PAN card. Can you get the new PAN card in 24 hours? Are bhai, see, think something and then tell. Because whatever we are telling, see, right, when we are sitting on YouTube, and guiding a student, at least it's okay. If you don't know, you tell you don't know. But if we will tell no, that get a new PAN card and then you send, how in which government is giving you PAN card within 24 hours? That is not possible, right? So see, even I'm having a, I have started a chat with them. Kindly share the screenshot of the complete email. So what you have to do is you have to go to the Accenture, that link I will give you, support link, okay? And then their registration. So click on start with chat with us, and then so this person, no, send all the details, and then also they will help or not, that is not guaranteed, but that is what options we have. Okay, so let me see if I can take a screenshot and then I can send it to you. So now, so in this case what can be done? Okay, so in this case what can be done? Oh, so this also I'm not able to take it out. Okay, so in this case what can be done is, on PAN card, no, you keep a passport size, a small photo, okay, and then you scan it. That is the only options. And parallelly what you do, you apply for the new PAN card. That is very, very important. See, not only company, right, we are also equally responsible for all those things. Okay, so it's 20 right now, you guys are 20 to 21-year old, and many of them does not have passport. Many of them PAN card is very old, childhood photos, this photos, that this you should have been prepared till now. Yeah, like, see, if Accenture rejects you for all those things, then you think you are losing a chance to get placed in such a big companies. Okay, so you immediately apply for this PAN card. Okay, see, Hard copy you will not get. Hard copy you will be getting in, some a week time. It will come through the Indian Post, and Indian Post is the fastest delivery system which is available in India right now. Within few hours. See, we have Blinkit, we have so many apps, Facebook, sorry, Flipkart, Amazon. You can get grocery deliveries and all those things in 10 minutes, but Indian Post will take their own time of 2 to 3 days, whatever it is. Okay, and that too, it is not guaranteed. So you will be getting soft copy, and that soft copy we can upload, but you will not be getting in 24 hours. So my suggestion is you apply for, let me write here. So my suggestion, please listen carefully. My suggestion is you apply online for the PAN card. Okay, and I'm damn sure you will not be getting within the 24 hours. Correct? So after you receive this email, and within 15 hours you see the situation, and then you go ahead and on your PAN card you take a passport size photo, and then you scan it, and then you upload it. Okay, so that is equivalent only. So you do not have to worry at all, because in 24 hours Indigo is not able to restore their services, man. What you are talking about? This, Indian Post. So that is not possible. Correct? Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now, do not share your personal information or login credentials. Otherwise, all your account money, some 50 to 70 lakhs rupees, nothing will happen. Okay, fine. Okay. So, one more thing here, friends. So, many of you are getting this rejections mail. So thank you for your continued interest in Accenture. After careful review, we regret to inform you that your candidature is not suitable for this position and you are not eligible to reapply. Okay, so for further queries, raise a ticket in MyZone. Okay, so I have given you the link for MyZone only. Okay, so MyZone Accenture support. Now, friends, one more thing which I like to tell you. If you are getting this kind of email now, then you also know that it is not possible to now get the next process assessment mail from Accenture, so that you 99% you forget, but 1% effort you can put, right? So 99% you forget, but 1% effort, no, you still have to put by raising a request, by chatting with this Laura. Oh, not Laura, it is Lauren. Okay, Lauren. Okay, so it is Lauren, and you please chat with he or she, I'm not sure, and then you tell your problem. Let's see. Okay, so anyway, nothing, you know that, right? See, few things are very clear. Now making videos again and again on that thing, कहाँ से भैया क्या views मिलेंगे बस, but students will get hopes, and I don't want the false hope to be transferred to the students. Now, many of you have started getting next assessment mail. Congratulations, yaar. This is a wonderful opportunity. Do not miss it out. But again, the problem is how to prepare. Okay. So, friends, after that, I will also tell you. So, how can you get your data removed, and you can try once again. But anyway, before that, let's see. So, we have launched Accenture Crash Course, and we have also started many of the game based basically was lagging in our courses. So we have also started behavioral videos. So behavioral assessment videos we have uploaded, and then game based assessment like bubble problem, do and maze problem, and today that direction based puzzles will be also content will be uploaded. Then verbal ability is already there. Then technical assessment, coding assessment, previous year questions and solution, live classes recording, new batch which we have already started. Okay, and live classes record, this is old batch you leave. Okay, and then mock test, pseudocode, there are a lot of pseudocode which is work in progress. So a lot of contents has been getting added. So please go through this. Either you go for use HTML, CSS and JavaScript, or you go for SQL, right? So SQL plus PYQs, cloud fundamentals. Okay, networking. See, within the short span of time we have pseudo codes. Okay, and then networking, MS Office, cloud, technical MCQ questions where MS Office and cloud, all those things has been covered. Okay, and even the operating system questions, oops related questions, so that also has been getting added. Okay, so a lot of things are there, and that is sufficient for your Accenture preparation. Don't regret later, friends. Accenture, it's a very good company. I mean, there is no doubt at all. At least better than your I don't want to compare Infosys, TCS, and all these companies. These are better, and few sorts. And yesterday I had uploaded also one video uh, for the here, so sharing the experiences, so that also you can see. Okay, okay, all the things will be keep going on. And friends, all these discussions about these things, right, it is happening in our groups. So online study for you Telegram group, I don't know, like, so here there are many people who has the interview tomorrow, so I was just seeing that. Okay, and from here only I will get all the updates. You can directly get the updates from here, but I don't really know why you guys are not part of this Telegram group. Only few of you are there, and you guys are missing all those things. So please join the Telegram group today itself. Okay, after you get placed, अरे भैया छोड़ दो यार, it doesn't matter. Okay, so get the crash course today itself. Don't delay. I'm telling you. Okay, see, if you really want to succeed, you have to take a step today. Okay, so if you want to get your data removed, then mail to recruit dot data request at accenture.com. Thank you for contacting Accenture. You are receiving this message because, so after sending the mail, so because we recently received a request to have your data removed from our system according to global data privacy regulation. This request applies not only to recruitment marketing databases but also includes our recruiting system where you may have applied recently. So to keep your information secure and private, we would like confirmation that you submitted this request yourself. Please respond back to this email to let us know whether you approve this request or not. And after that, they will. So in order for us to progress your request, we could be grateful if you could remove could please confirm which Accenture location you applied to. For your convenience, you can search for Accenture locations here, and we would be grateful if you could please provide that information at earliest convenience to allow us to progress with your request. The period of 1 month in which Accenture must respond to the request will now not commence until we have relevant information to enable us to confirm your identity, and that way you can get your data removed. Now Wipro is suddenly Wipro was sleeping like Kumkaran, and now Wipro is seeing that, oh, all companies are hiring, and what should I do? So greetings from Wipro. We are aware that you were unable to complete the pre-screening training during your previous attempt due to a certain reasons. Okay, so we are pleased to offer you a final opportunity to successfully complete the training and move closer to achieving your dream job. To finalize our list of participants, we kindly request you to complete a brief confirmation survey by 10th of December, today by 12 p.m. This will help us plan the training with the confirmed group of candidates. We encourage you to review the pre-screening guidelines carefully to understand the expectations and requirements. Pre-scaling training will be scheduled in the batches based on the project demands. If you do not receive a training invitation within a month, you are requested to wait. You will be contacted when the next training sessions are scheduled. Link to the survey and pre-screening guidelines. Okay, so please complete it. Don't miss the opportunity. Okay, and we will be bringing more and more such informations and hirings, preparation videos, all those things will be keep doing it. Don't worry, take your time and understand the things and act accordingly.